Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I want to show you how to make simple melody using FL Studio. Okay, let's go to the video and see how to create like that simple melody using FL Studio. First, I am open my FL Studio software. In this pattern 1, I am right click, then rename and color into melody, then change the color into pink, then press enter. In this pattern, I am add new instrument is FL keys. Like this sound you can see. Now I am change the music track into 5, then open with piano roll like this. Now I want smooth sound like this. I am getting to here. Like this I am create my melody. Like this, I am create simple melody. You can see in this track I am adding to here like this. Now I am go to song mode. Now I am add another one is kick pattern. Like this, change the color into blue. Now I am add like this kicks 4x4. I am delete all this and add claps. Like this sound 4x4. Again 4x4. Now I want to change the clap sound to change the clap sound this area. You can select anyone. Add hats. Like this. Like this. Now I am save this. Now I am export it as MP3. Now click this start. I am think this video is very interesting and helpful for your music life. If you like this video, press the like button to my video. If you want to get my brand new videos quickly, subscribe my YouTube channel, click the notification bell icon and select all option to get my brand new videos quickly to your device. Okay, let's meet in brand new video like this video. Now you can check your melody.